I beg, I don't tire. I don't know again. This is not tire me. I'm getting tired of talking about the same thing. Maybelline, what is going on? Why do we have two shades? Today I'm going to be doing a demo and review of the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage 24 Hours Foundation. So this is the popular foundation now for everybody. Everybody's raving about this foundation. Two shade, so we're going to talk about that soon. The reason why I have two shade is because this is the two darker shade, yeah, that we have in the UK. And the shade is called, I think, mocha and caramel. Yeah, that is the two shade we have, like darker shade we have in the UK, like drugstore, Superdrug and Boots. Funny, right? We only have two shade. Why in America they have a lot of shade, I think. Yeah, because I've seen different shade of dark skin in America shade, but this is the two that they gave us. So I'm like seriously, Superdrug, Maybelline, what is going on? Why do we have two shades? This shade is not even dark enough. If I can use this, remember, you know, there are people darker than I am. There are more chocolate in this world. I don't understand, so they need to get it together. That's how they did on the Maybelline Fit Me. We only had two dark shades, then later they released more dark shade for women of color in the UK. Now we have dark shade of Fit Me in drugstore. So I'm thinking they are trying to test the water again. I don't understand why they are trying to test the ocean when they can just bring more shade, because people actually like the Fit Me. I love the Fit Me. I have like 5, so I don't understand. Two dark shade, I was like, so I have to miss the two. I beg, I don't tire. I don't know again. This is not tire me. I'm getting tired of talking about the same thing. The foundation, they claim it to be 24 hours and full coverage. This foundation is 30 ml. It has a white top. I don't like this white top. I prefer black top, because it's going to like stain everywhere. So, and it comes with a pump here. Hallelujah. Seriously, I know I love pump, but at least more dark shade with the pump. So we are going to see a lot of Maybelline products in this makeup tutorial. Prime my skin. I can actually use any drugstore primer that works for you, but me, I'll just use this sample, the Too Faced Hangover Primer. So now for the foundation, yeah, we're going to try out the foundation now, because I'm not going to color correct, because I want to really see how full coverage this foundation can be. The 3D brush by Stigma, I'm going to use this to blend out the foundation. Let me swatch it on my face so that you can actually see the color that they gave us to work with. This is caramel. You can see caramel is very light. They just went from here and gave us this. How are we going to work with this? Maybelline, the two together. You don't need a lot with this foundation. Mostly if you have my skin type, or like you don't have acne and all that on your face. So I don't think you need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. Look at that. Oh my god. This foundation is beautiful. It's beautiful. They don't have more shade. Like, how are we going to like rock this foundation when they don't have more shade? The coverage is really nice. I'm impressed. Okay, Maybelline, I see you, but I don't see you with the shade though. Oh god, this is beautiful. I think I should compare it with the Maybelline Fit Me. What do you guys think? Coverage of the foundation is beautiful. To highlight my face, I have some Maybelline concealer right here. You can try if you want to. Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 30 and 35, and this is in the shade 30. See, 35. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. You know I love this foundation for contouring. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 365. Bit of that and contour my nose. I'm going to use this gold brush right here. So I'm going to use my Reed Technique sponge. This sponge is very damp and very soft. Like it's like a puff. If you are worried about the Fit Me concealer because it's very light, like let air go into it, it will make it thick and full coverage. Look at that concealer. You have to blend, then set it with the powder. So I'll just apply this here. I'm using a 30 Cafe. Then to set my face, I'm going to, like the highlighting area, the concealer, I'm going to use the W7 Banana Dream powder. Pencil by Provision. It's an affordable brand. They are Funke Bra Pomade. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 350, and I'll use it with this Reed Technique powder blue brush. Even when the foundation claimed to be waterproof, I still set my face. I'm going to use the charged water, the MAC charged water. To use this gel liner by Maybelline, the Maybelline gel liner. Affordable drugstore liner. Just go and get the Maybelline. To take my CoverGirl Ebony bronzer. It's blush palette by W7. I'm going to take this shade right here on the same brush. That to just blend my eyelid. Lashes. So taking the Maybelline highlighter. Skin. I'll use this Reed Technique brush. It's an okay highlighter. It's okay. I use that to blend the harsh line. I'll use this Maybelline Big Eye Mascara. So I'll use the other side. It's the two-sided mascara. I'll just use my Georgiana Coco Loco lip liner. I didn't really say this is the Maybelline Superstay lip ink, and I'm using the shade 80. Oh my god, it smells so nice. My skin is looking dewy and looking glowing. I think maybe it's because of the spray, but I'm not mad at the way my face is looking. It's looking really flawless. Very flawless. Basic. I didn't do anything to the eyes. I just kept it very simple with the eyes. I just focused on the skin, and the foundation is holding up really well. I actually like the way the foundation is holding up. Like, I don't have any transfer in my hand because of the spray, because I spray my face, so my face is looking dewy instead of very matte, because I want to be able to move my face about. Okay guys, I'm back. This is how my face is looking. The foundation is holding up really well. I just went to do my hair. This Superstay foundation is really nice. The coverage is really nice on the skin. I want to see how the foundation is going to hold up during the day, since they have like a 24 hours claim on it, because I'm running some errands. I'm going to be back during the day, and right now I've put this foundation on around, let's say I put this foundation on around 8:30 a.m. so I'm going to come back later in the day to give you an update on this foundation. But for now, I'll say the foundation is holding up really well. I'm not mad at it. The highlighter, I actually like it. It's decent, but it's not as harsh glow like I like it to be, but it's decent. So I recommend this for those who are looking for good highlighter in the drugstore. So I will recommend this highlighter. The lipstick, you see drying. It has not dried fully matte because it's still like sticking together, so I will still leave that to dry and set. But I like the color. This color is pretty, really nice with this makeup that we have today. I've worn this foundation for like 8:30 a.m. and it's past 10 now. It's almost 11 p.m. so if the lighting is switched, like I'm in the room, so I just decided to come and finish this video because I am really tired and it was very cold today. So guys, the Maybelline Superstay foundation, they said it's 24 hours, and as you can see, if I come close to you, I know I'm too in your face right now, you can see the oil peeping through on the face, and I'm creasing underneath my eyes. Everything is beginning to move. So but when you touch up your face, the foundation is actually holding up really well. The coverage of the foundation is really nice. I'm not going to take anything away from the coverage, except that, like I said, they need more dark shade in the UK, and I'm not going to say this foundation is 24 hours. Sorry babe. If I'm combination skin and I'm like I'm shower, like the oil is just on my face, like the center of my face is really shiny. So I'm going to say this foundation is not 24 hours, but it's long wearing. And yeah, make sure you have your touch-up powder in your bag. The highlighter is popping though, like my glow is still there. Like the Maybelline glow, the glow is still there. During the day, like I can see the glow. Like my glow is still there. Look at that glow. Sorry if this clip is crap, like if the quality is rubbish, I'm sorry. I can't, like I'm tired, man. You want more review, foundation review, and you're a new follower, check the description bar. Every other foundation review I've done will be at the description bar. I know my face is shining and I'm talking. Guy, we have to finish this video, babe. I am tired. So guys, if you're not a subscriber, please do hit the subscribe button before you leave. Thank you for watching this video. Don't mind my scarf, don't mind anything right now, because this was not how I left the house. So bye guys, thank you for watching. Bye.